Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As we speed towards 2025, the line between retro nostalgia and modern tech is getting seriously cool. That's why in today's video, we're counting down 5 amazing tech gadgets that brilliantly blend the past with the future. These aren't just gadgets, they're time machines. Let's get into number 5. And kicking off our list is this absolute game changer for anyone with a box of old memories tucked away in a closet, the DigitPro VHS to digital converter. This isn't some complicated piece of equipment. It's a sleek, all-in-one device that lets you rescue those precious home videos from your old VHS tapes, camcorders, and even DVDs. With simple plug-and-play operation, it converts analog signals to crisp digital files in up to 1080 HD quality, no computer needed. It even has its own preview screen so you can see the conversion in real time. For anyone looking to preserve the past for the future, this gadget is an essential, and it's our number 5 pick for 2025. Now, let's move from preserving memories to enhancing your daily life with our number 4 pick. Coming in at number 4 is a gadget that completely rethinks a boring chore and is an absolute must for travelers and busy professionals. The Neakasa Magic 1 Vacuum Steamer. This isn't your average garment steamer. It's a brilliant 2-in-1 innovation that combines powerful 2,300 Pascal suction with high heat steam. Why does that matter? The vacuum automatically grips the fabric to your clothes, allowing for truly one-handed steaming and even getting rid of the need for an ironing board for most items. It triples the speed of a traditional steamer, leaves clothes instantly dry with no watermarks, and has a gentle mode for delicate fabrics like silk. It heats up in just 30 seconds, making it the ultimate tool for a last-minute, professional-grade wrinkle fix. For revolutionizing laundry care, this is our number 4 pick. And that is seriously cool tech. But wait until you see what we have for you at number 3. And for our number 3 pick, we're heading into the great outdoors or just preparing for the next power outage with this incredibly versatile piece of gear, the Leoplights Solar Camping Lantern. This is so much more than just a light. It's a powerful 280 lumen lantern that's completely waterproof, a 6,000 milliamp hour power bank to charge your phone, and a solar panel all built into one rugged portable unit. You can charge it from the sun by USB or even from your car, making it the ultimate source of off-grid power and light. Whether you're camping under the stars or need a reliable light during a storm at home, this lantern ensures you're never left in the dark. For being an indispensable modern survival tool, this solar lantern is our number 3 pick. Taking the number 2 spot is a gadget that brings massive power to your pocket, completely redefining portable cleaning. The Ontel Turbo Jet Hydro X5 Pro Pressure Washer. Imagine having the cleaning power of a 530 psi pressure washer that's completely cordless and fits in a carrying case. This 6-in-1 Powerhouse runs on a rechargeable battery, so you can take it anywhere. It has a dual water source, meaning you can connect it to a garden hose or even suck water out of a bucket, lake, or pool. It comes with a foam cannon for a professional-level car wash, a 16-foot hose, and multiple spray tips to tackle everything from muddy patios and dirty boats to grimy outdoor furniture. For giving you serious cleaning power without the cords or the hassle, this portable pressure washer is our incredible number 2 pick. And finally, our number 1 tech gadget you'll love to have in 2025 is for all the creators out there. The Canon PowerShot V1 digital camera. This isn't just a camera, it's an all-in-one content creation powerhouse. It boasts a massive 22.3 megapixel sensor and shoots stunning cinematic 4K video at 60 frames per second. It features advanced modes like Product Showcase that automatically focus on items you hold up to the lens, making it perfect for unboxings, reviews, and tutorials. With a fully articulating touchscreen, built-in live streaming capabilities to your phone, and Canon's legendary dual-pixel autofocus, This camera is designed to make professional quality content accessible to everyone. For being the ultimate tool to level up your YouTube game and capture the future in stunning detail, the Canon PowerShot V1 is our top pick for 2025. And that's our list. 5 incredible gadgets that blend innovation with practicality. From preserving the past to creating the future, there's something for everyone. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited about. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.